May I welcome you all to this session of English language. Now today, let us look at the assignments that I had asked you to do. The first sentence is, we must listen to his song. So, look at the sentence. There is a word to, preposition. So remember, that word has to be there in the answer. So, the answer is, his song must be listened to by us. Again, I repeat, his song must be listened to by us. Second sentence, we saw an elephant cross the road. Look at the sentence. The sentence is in the past tense. So the answer has to be in the past tense, passive voice. Begin. An elephant was seen crossing the road. Again, an elephant was seen, S-E-E-N, crossing the road. Third one, too much is being taken for granted. Again, look at the sentence. It is in the continuous form. Only it is passive voice, so it has to be in the active voice. They are taking too much for granted. Again, they are taking too much for granted. Number 4, he was said to be a genius. Again, look at the sentence. Passive voice, past tense, begin they. They said that, active voice, he was a genius. Again, they said that he was a genius. Number 5, the joker made us laugh. Again, active voice, made, past tense, begin, we were. Answer, we were made laugh by the joker. Look again, we were made laugh by the joker. 6, why did Arun deprive you of your money? Again, it is an interrogative sentence. Of preposition is there, so it has to be an interrogative plus of has to be there. Begin, why were you? So the answer is, why were you deprived of your money by Arun? Interrogation mark. Again, why were you deprived of your money by Arun? 7, alas, we shall hear his voice no more. Again, it is in the active voice, simple future. Begin, alas, his voice. So, simple future, passive voice. Alas, his voice will be heard no more. Again, alas, his voice will be heard no more. Number 8, he was known to be a kind man. Again, look at the sentence. He was known, past tense, passive voice. We begin, everyone knew. Again, everyone knew, K-N-E-W. Number 9, the citizens accused him of various offenses. Again, look at the word of, so this has to be there. Begin, he was. Answer, he was accused of various offenses by the citizens. Again, he was accused of various offenses by the citizens. Number 10, we so often feel that these situations need never arise. It is in the active voice, so the answer, it is often. Please write there, it is often. all the other parts of the sentences are there. Number 11, there is reason to believe that they have saved the children. Look at this sentence. There are two parts. There is reason to believe. Secondly, they have saved the children. Both are in the active, so both are to be in the passive. Begin. It is reasonably believed. It is reasonably believed that the children have been saved by them. Again, the children have been saved by them. Number 12. Vikram hoped to succeed his father. Again, active voice, past tense. Right there, it was hoped. By Vikram is already there. The rest is there. Number 13. Laborers are loading the cart. Again, active voice, present continuous. Begin the cart. Answer, the cart is being loaded by the laborers. Again, the cart is being loaded by laborers. 14. Avoid the easy solutions. Again, active voice, passive. Easy solutions are to be avoided. Again, easy solutions are to be avoided. 15. Let the command be given. Look at this. It is passive voice. So the active voice is very simple. Give the command. Again, give the command. Right. Now the next part is write notice and email. So in the next class, we will deal with notice and email along with the format of a formal letter, because email and formal letter are connected. Yeah, they are similar to each other. So we will deal with in the next class. Till then, stay safe, keep on learning at home. Thank you.